Most people are afraid of red lips. Here is how to wear it with confidence and class. A lot of people avoid red lips because they feel it's loud, too bold, or too dramatic. But the truth is, red lips are timeless, they are powerful, they are incredibly elegant when done properly. So the first step is to make sure that your lips are moisturized. Then the outer part of your lip, you're supposed to dust it with a little bit of setting powder so that your liner will go fully. Use the color of the red lip that you're gonna use, just a little bit darker, and overline your lips. So here I am using my MAC pencil to overline my lips. I'm going to line it properly on my lip lines, a little bit out of my lip line because I want the full lip. But if you don't want the full lip, it's okay to line it on the lip line. Keep going and keep going until it is out there properly. Don't be scared, it's not too much. So I'll be using this L'Oreal lipstick in 752. This lipstick is amazing, and I love that the redness is not overly loud. Like, I love the shade so properly. A little bit I put out was gonna be enough for me because it just went a bit excess on my lip, so I had to use a brush to start setting it properly into my lip. I pick more and add more. So now this part is very important because we are so much afraid to put so much because we feel, you don't want it to be too loud. This is where you'd carefully put it from inside to out and make sure it touches the lip liner properly. That way you achieve an excellent look. You don't want the lipstick to be different from the lip liner. You don't want it afar from each other. So you're blending in the lip shade into the lip liner step by step, gradually. You just keep checking it, keep blending it, keep applying it until you get the exact thing that you need. And when you feel it's not too much, it's okay to add a little more. Yeah. And that's it. The next step, I love my gloss. I always love my gloss. I get so comfortable in nude shades. But you see this lip color, I don't joke with it. So topping it up with lip gloss was it's changed everything for me because gloss has a way of making you look so yummy. So I had to add glossing it up to be able to give me that classy, timeless look. And guess what? You can leave yours without glossing it. Glossing it is not a must. I'm just glossing it because of the kind of look I want. So if I'm putting on something very simple, I want my lips to pop. As you can see, my eyes are very subtle. And that is it. It is finished. Red lips are not too much. They are just misunderstood. When done right, they make a statement without saying a word. Same